Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, time for another video. You know what time it is. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, this will be my hot pick for tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, January 8th, 2020. But before we get into that, don't forget to help me out by smashing those buttons for me. That's right, be sure to like the video. That's right, also comment. You can subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell notification anytime I put up some new content, some new videos, go live, all that great stuff. You'll be right there with me. It's all good. All right, let's get into it. Time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker OXY. The company is Occidental Petroleum. That's right, a big news going on. You know, all the tension going on with the war starting up in Iraq and all the bombings and all whatnot.
Yeah. What is it good for? Absolutely.
So all the defense stocks and the oil stocks are going bananas crazy. That's right, and actually is dumping all the futures, which could be good if you're playing it to the downside. But if you got caught holding anything long today, whether it be anything on the S&P 500 or the FANG or whatever you call it, all those market leader stocks, you might be waking up with a rude awakening tomorrow. But let's not get into that. Let's get into the hot pick of the day. OXY, Occidental Petroleum, closed the most recent trading day at 45.26, moving up 0.47% from the previous trading session. This change outpaced the S&P's 500 of 0.28% loss on the day. Meanwhile, the Dow lost 0.42 and the Nasdaq, a heavy tech index, lost 0.03%. Now, coming into today, shares of the oil and gas exploration and production company had gained 20.65% in the last month. In the same time, oil and energy sector gained 7.72%, while the S&P gained 3.31%. Investors will be hoping for strength from Oxy as it approaches its earnings release. In that report, analysts expect Oxy to post earnings of 13 cents per share. This would mark a year-over-year decline of 89.34%. Our most recent consensus estimate is calling for the quarterly revenue at $6.31 billion, up 31.32% from a year ago period. Yes, most definitely the earnings are coming up, but what is happening right now with these stocks, all the oil like Exxon, what else is on there? HESS and all the other oil stocks and energy sector all popping up. So we got to take a look, and I'll let you know why I picked this stock over any other one as we go through the charts to check out a little bit closer look and perspective on my hot pick of the day, OXY. That's Occidental Petroleum. Now, if we take a look at OXY over the last, let's say, year and a half, possibly, it has a high up here of 87 and just been on a decline all the way down to this low of 37.25, and finally just started popping up recently. Let's see where it caught this low in December 12th, and just been slowly grinding its way up, and that's why I like it, because it's so beaten down. It has a lot of room to run for sure. Now, what we're looking for, as I am a big Fibonacci retracement trader, what I did is I fibbed this recent swing from 44.62 down to this 37.25, and as you can see, this 40.93 was the 50% retracement on this move, which it just kind of creeped up on and just blew right past. But as you can see, it was a resistance here and here and a little bit here, and then just kind of broke through and is breaking through this 43.04 level. As you can see, came back down to test it, ripped up, and today this 44.62 area, as you can see, which was a previous support all along this line right here for so many days, and was a resistance back here, popped up over it, closed above, kind of pulled back down today, but popped back up and closed over it. So it is definitely looking good. All the moving averages are crossing over to the upside. What are we looking for in the long term is a test of this 47.66 and even this test of 48.21, which is the 200 SMA on the daily. So we definitely know that this thing wants to gravitate up there, and with everything going on with the war and the oil stocks, this definitely could reach this point by the end of the week. Let's take a look at the intraday chart for a little bit closer look on what's going on. All right, as you can see, what I did was I fibbed this big push up from 43.69 all the way to 45.45 yesterday, and what I want to see is definitely a hold of this 44.57 area. As you can see, it did hold it this morning, kind of pushed back up in this range, 50 cents range, broke down below. Once it reclaimed this 44.57, it pushed back up to 45, and you can see in the after hours with the news of that bombing and that Iraq retaliation, this stock popped up along with every other oil stock, and it also brought all the market leaders the opposite way down, but we're looking at this one. So it popped up all the way to this 46.53, which is the top of this retracement level. So what we want to see tomorrow is a hold of this 46.53 and a push up to test this 47.41. And if we look back at the daily, 47.41, 47.66, all about the same price right here. We want it to test this 47.66 and maybe even push up to this 48.21, which it possibly could do tomorrow. This stock has an ATR of only $1.04, but with all the news and hype, this thing could push up to maybe even $3 tomorrow. Who knows? Average daily volume is 10 million shares. Today it did trade over 12 million shares, so that's 116% relative volume. So we could look at an increase in all these oil and energy stocks tomorrow. So we definitely want to be on the watch. So take note of this 46.53 and 46.18. We would love it to hold just this whole entire 46 area for a continuation up tomorrow. All right, so that's my hot pick of the day on the ticker OXY. That's Occidental Petroleum. There you go. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker OXY. That's Occidental Petroleum. Now, don't forget, it takes a lot to put these videos together. I take my time out every day to find great plays for you guys, great stocks that I feel will move and make you money. And all I ask in return is 3 simple clicks of your mouse. That's right. Go on to my YouTube channel and click number 1, like the video. Click number 2, subscribe to the channel. Click number 3, hit that bell or notification, whatever you call it, and make sure you know when I go live, when I put up some new content and videos, so you can be right there rolling with me. All right, it's time for me to bounce on up out the door. Marquis, aka Daytrader, signing out, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.